What's up, Pyros? It's K.
And this is B.
KB Pyros, and we're going to show you our Memorial Day setup. It's about 15-20 minutes until showtime. But we're going to light off 3 of these air defenses with ball shells. They'll all fire off at the same time. Then we're going to go over here. Cake board number 1, 200-gram cakes. They'll fire off over there to some racks. 1 rack after the cake. We'll go into our second cake board here. Then another rack. 3rd cake board here. 4th cake board here. Our 5th board is here. Here's our 6th cake board. Then we're going to go and do some single 500 shot or 500 gram cakes. Really excited about this Uncle Sam salute. Let's take a walk over here and check out our racks. 7 racks in total. All wired up, ready to rock and roll here. It's almost time, guys. Then we'll take a look at our finale. So over here is our first finale board. Some 200, it's all fast fused here, 200 gram cakes. A 1 rack to go with the finale. And over here is our big board. This is all fast fused. And then it should end with the rack and this board all at the same time going off. Thanks for watching, guys.
Please like and subscribe.